Where are my crafters who sell products? Report to this video right now. We are officially in the last quarter of the year, and so we have goals to reach. If you have not reached your goals this far, don't give up. It's still time. So we're setting realistic goals over here. If you know you didn't even make $1,000 last month, we're not going to say, oh, I'm going to make $10,000 this month, because you know God can do anything, but the chances of that happening are slim to none. So we're setting realistic goals over here. Now, when you're setting your goals, it doesn't have to always be about money. Yes, the money is important, but it's not always about money. You know what it's really about? Consistency. I struggle with that myself, but I'm already speaking. Matter of fact, no, I don't struggle with it. I'm not speaking that over myself anymore. No. This quarter, we're being consistent. We're showing up on social media consistently. We're sending emails to our customers consistently. And if you don't have an email list, that's okay. You can get started. Those products that we said we were going to launch, they're going to get launched. Those videos that we said we're going to make, we're going to make them. That content that we said we're going to create, we're going to create it. So when we set our goals, yes, set your financial goals, but you're going to set other goals to help you reach those financial goals. So for example, if you say you have a financial goal of want to make at least $1,000 for the month of September, you're going to break that goal down. So what do you have to do in order to reach that $1,000? So let's say, for example, if you sell t-shirts and your average t-shirt sale is $20, you normally sell your t-shirts for around $20. If you only sold t-shirts, now we're just doing t-shirts. If you only sold t-shirts and you only sold them for $20, that means that you would need to sell at least 50 t-shirts during the month of September in order to reach your $1,000 goal. So now that we know how many t-shirts we would need to sell, now we need to figure out a plan of how we're going to sell those t-shirts. So what avenues do you have in place in order to market and sell your products? Do you have an email list? Do you have a website? Do you use social media? Do you have a blog? Do you have like a YouTube channel? How do you sell your products? So basically, once you figure out how you're going to market and advertise your t-shirts or products, you just have to make sure you show up consistently showing people your products, your t-shirts, whatever it is that you're going to sell. You're going to make sure you show up consistently. You're talking about your product. You cannot not talk about your product and then expect it to sell. Trust me, I've done that plenty of times. You cannot not show up. You have to show up every single day, whether it's through an email, whether it's through social media posts, whether it's through a blog post. If you have text messaging, however you show up for your people, you have to make sure you show up every day consistently. So if you want to break that number down a little further, we said that you have to sell at least 50 t-shirts a week, which is approximately around 50 t-shirts a month, which is approximately around 12 to 13 shirts per week. Right? Yes. Which is approximately 12 to 13 shirts per week, which breaks down to around 1 to 2 shirts per day that you have to sell for at least $20. Now, you do have to keep in mind that these $20 is not full profit, because you still have to buy your materials. So it's not profit. But if the goal is just to make $1,000, then that's how that breakdown would go. I could go on and on about this, but this video is already long enough. If you have questions, let me know. Drop them in the comments. I'll respond with a video. And I need you to put in the comments what your goal is for this month. So for me, for Crafting with April, my goal is to get 5,000 followers on TikTok. Right now, I have, I think, 3,700 on TikTok. So my goal is to get 5,000 followers on TikTok and to be monetized on YouTube, which I have the subscribe account, but I don't have the watch time in it. So that is my goal for and also I'm launching my how to start a t-shirt business course, so to get at least 5 sales on my course. So that's my goal for September of 2023. What is your goal? And I will keep you updated on mine. I know this video was long. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in the comments. I'm your craft tutor, April.